What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today is the fifth day. I want to give you guys some updates of what has been happening on Clickbank and also on what I've been doing to drive traffic for free to promote the affiliate offers on Clickbank. So if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to this channel and also be sure to go back to day 0, day 1 and watch up till now, and so you can understand exactly which stage we are in this particular challenge. So you can see from here, today is the 5th day of doing this challenge. I can see from here is the 20th. So let me show you guys from here. Let me go back to my Clickbank account and let's see if we actually got any results or if we actually got any clicks, because you can see from here today just the 5th day, so it's not going to just you're not going to just get traffic very fast. You're going to start building social media accounts, start posting consistently, and you're going to start getting traffic progressively. So as I showed you guys in the last video, we already got our first click. Somebody already clicked on our affiliate link and went to our affiliate offer, and you can see, as I showed you guys in the video, the offer that we're promoting is Mitolin. As you can see, it has a very high gravity, which means that a lot of people are promoting this already and they're already making money. So if we go, for example, to my reporting, so let me go right here. If I go to my dashboard from here, you're going to see that we have not made any sale, and this is very understandable because we just started doing this challenge and we have just been sending traffic to this our landing page, to this our offer on Clickbank just for about 2 days. So we're still growing our social media accounts. As we're going to send more traffic, we're going to start getting more clicks, and hopefully we're going to make our sale before the end of this challenge. So let's go to our reporting and see if we actually got any traffic at all promoting this offer right here. So you can see from here, as I show you guys from here, you can see yesterday the 19th, you can see that we actually got 2 sales. As you can see from here, I've sorted by tracking ID. You can see that we got our first click right here, our first click from Mitolin right here from Pinterest, and we also got 1 click from TikTok. So you can see that we're already getting free traffic from these channels that we are setting up. So you're going to make sure to set up your own channels as well if you want to follow step by step on this 30 days challenge, and hopefully you can go and make money as well by the end of this 30 days challenge. So you can see we've already gotten clicks, and let me check whether we have gotten any clicks by today. So you can see from here we have not gotten any clicks yet by today. So that is very understandable because we are still growing these social media accounts, and as days are going on and our accounts are growing bigger, we are going to start getting a lot more clicks. We're going to start getting a lot more consistent clicks on our Clickbank account and hopefully start making some money. So everything that I'm doing right now is by posting before and after weight loss images on my TikTok, Pinterest, and Instagram account. So let me show you guys one simple hack right here. So if you go, for example, to Google and type, for example, free AI image generator, you can also go and get a lot of free contents that you can go and use for free. So you go right here, you can see Canva. There's a lot of other ones, but you can go to Canva, click on free AI image generator on Canva. You're going to see that it's going to give you an option to go and generate a lot of free images. So you want to go and get images that you can go and use to post on Instagram, TikTok, etc. for free, that you're not going to have any issues. You can go right here on Canva and just type, for example, let me show you guys, for example, before and after. For example, before and after weight loss. For example, you can just write, for example, before and after weight loss, or you can just image, so you can write, for example, image, or you can write, for example, before and after weight loss image, women or men, etc., and just click on generate AI image. And you're going to see from here that it's going to go and generate free images from here that you can just go and download these images and post it on your Instagram or on your TikTok fitness pages, and it's all 100% free. And there's also a lot of other tools as well on Google that you can go and use and generate these images from here. So you can see from here, these are before and after weight loss images. So you just click on one, you can see this one right here. So it looks very realistic, and this is a before and after weight loss image. You can just go and increase the size just like this one, and you can just go and click on file, and you're going to click on download. You can go and download, and you can go back to the next file, and you can go and choose generate a lot of images just like this one, and you can go and post on your Instagram and TikTok accounts, and you are going to see that many people are not going to know, because as you can see from here, it looks very realistic, and many people are not going to know that these are AI generated videos, AI generated images, and you can go and use this to go and promote your affiliate offers. So let me show you guys some updates on the account. So you can see from here, this is the Instagram account. This is one of the Instagram accounts from here. As you can see from here, I'm still posting consistently right here. So you can see right here, these are videos I'm posting. You can see some are getting 1 view, some are not getting any views. You can see some 20 views, 18 views, etc. All you're going to do is that you're going to be posting consistently, and when one video go viral, your account is going to gain a lot of followers, and you can go and start making a lot of sales because you're going to go and get a lot of traffic very fast. And also what I'm also doing is that I'm also posting consistently on Instagram stories and inputting a link back to my affiliate offer. So you're going to make sure to go and do this as well. So for some reason my stories is taking a lot more time to go and load. So let me just show you guys the other accounts, because you can go and verify these accounts and see exactly what I'm posting on these different accounts on your own. So you can see from here, this is the second account, and as you can see from here, we're still posting consistently. I'm posting also images as well, and meme, for example, inspiration videos, funny videos, and also weight loss transformation videos right here. And I'm also getting some traffic from here already. I'm also posting stories from here consistently. So let me show you guys right here on the Pinterest side. This is the first Pinterest account. So I'm going to create more other accounts, at least 5 other Pinterest accounts, so that I'm going to get a lot more traffic faster. So you can see on this other accounts right here, we're still getting some views. You can see right here 2 views, 14 views, for example. You can see 21 views, 23 views, etc. And you can see that we already got our first click from Pinterest. As you can go back to, as I show you guys right here in the accounts, you can see we already get 1 click from TikTok, and we also got 1 click already from Pinterest. So it means that this is already working, and when we start getting consistent clicks, that's when we are going to start making some sales from these different social media accounts. So if I go example right here, let me go example to the start. Let me just reload this. It's going to show us how much traffic we are getting. So this is going to be updated, for example, in a day. So as you can see from here, it's already reloaded. You can see from here, I've gotten already 150 impressions. You can see 2 engagement, and you can see total audience is showing us 1 right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to be posting consistently. You're going to have multiple accounts, especially on Pinterest, because you can go and get Pinterest traffic actually very fast, and you're going to be posting consistently. So you can go and verify these accounts. I'm going to be posting and showing you guys a lot more other things that I'm doing in the next video. So let me show you guys, for example, the TikTok accounts right here. So let me show you guys the TikTok accounts as I showed you guys yesterday. As you can see from here, I'm still posting as well consistently, and I'm also getting some views. You can see, for example, 1 view, 2 views. I can see that some are getting more views than the others, and I'm also trying to duet other videos just like this one. If you can go to this particular video, you're going to see this is a duet that I tried, and some are going to get views, some are not going to get views. But at this point, we are going to be trying all types of contents to go and get a viral video in our niche. As you can see as well, I'm also posting before and after weight loss video picture. You can see from here, this is a before and after weight loss picture. And if you look very well, you're going to notice that this is actually an AI generated image, but many people don't see this as AI generated. Just like I show you guys from here, this is an AI generated before and after weight loss image, and you can go and generate a lot of this, post it on Instagram, Pinterest, etc., and get free traffic using these AI generated images, because most of them are very realistic. Just search, as I show you guys, on Google for free AI image generator. You can go and input, for example, before and after weight loss images, and you're going to get a ton of these AI images that you can go and use to promote your affiliate offers. And also another thing that I'm also doing is that I'm also creating AI videos. So let me show you guys right here. If you see this one right here, this is actually an AI video that I created, and I'm going to show you tomorrow on how I created that video using a 100% free software. So that's the updates. If you are new here, please subscribe, and I'm going to be posting a lot more updates. As you can see, some are getting views. For example, you can see this one got 32 views, this one has 60 views, and you can see this other one right here got up to 1,000 views. So I'm sure that's why we actually got a click from our TikTok accounts. You can see right here, some are going to go viral, some are not going to get any views. So all you're going to do is to be posting consistently. As you can see, some are actually getting a lot of views very fast. So that's it. Take action and start creating your own accounts as well. And also be sure to go and watch the next videos, because I'm going to be posting a lot more content of what I'm going to be doing in the background, so they can go and see it as well and know how I'm creating this type of videos and all the rest for 100% free. So that's guys, I'm going to see you in the next video.